This is Deron with Deron's Miracle Meat Dust. The one thing that's ubiquitous in all holiday gatherings is the flavored cheese ball. Today we'll show you our take on it. Okay. So there are 8 ingredients in our cheese ball. We have Deron's Miracle Meat Dust. This is our salt-free seasoning. This also makes a great party dip. We have 8 ounces of regular cream cheese. This is an Italian cheese mix for some texture. We have dried cherries, dried cranberries, some macadamia nuts, and some basic plain walnuts. And 1 lime. Don't forget the lime. 1 lime. There we go. So we're going to start. I got a KitchenAid mixer. This hook works best. We're going to start with 1 lime, half a lime. We're going to zest a little bit of the lime first. We're going to juice half of one. We've got a lime juice, a little bit of lime zest. Now we're going to put 2 ounces of the salt-free. It goes in there. This is an Italian cheese blend. We're going to put this in there for some texture. In the food process, we put in our cherries, our cranberries. All right, so we got our cranberries and our cherries in here. Those up a little bit, make it a little smaller, a little sweetness and a little tartness, and it'll also give a little bit more texture as well. Next, we're going to put in our macadamia nuts. Got some basic walnuts. We're going to place half of this in here, and we're going to keep the other half for the outside. The last ingredient. 1 8-ounce package, cream cheese. All right, blend on low. Put 2 pieces of cellophane. Second piece. I am fully convinced that the person who invented cellophane hated people. We're going to scoop it into the middle here. We're going to turn to ball, freeze it, coat it, all these wrongs. So now we have a cheese ball. It's a little on the lumpy side. This is what we call rustic. We're going to put it in the freezer. We're going to allow it to get really hard, and then we're going to coat it with the remaining nuts. All right, so our rustic holiday cheese ball has now been in the freezer. You don't want it frozen because then it won't stick. You just want it to be cold. Okay. So first thing is our walnuts and our macadamia nuts. And then we're going to freeze it for our upcoming holiday adventures. We got some just basic water crackers. There you are, the hostess with the mostest.